Did you guys know that in 2020, the Tesla Model 3 stopped including grocery hooks in the frunk? Did you even know that they had grocery hooks? Whatever you did or didn't know, I'll just tell you, I knew and I'm jealous. So they were right here, literally right in the top of the frunk. You could just pull them out, hook some bags on there. Like, come on, check out how useful that is. Oh my gosh, am I jelly. If you want to buy some aftermarket ones, cool, until you look at the price. Really? For just 2 little hooks, you're gonna pay like $8? So I said, heck no. Heck no indeed, and I decided to make my own. So I made these out of ASA. It's a super durable, really heat resistant plastic, perfect for the temperatures that get into the Model 3 frunk. There's 2 of these, 1 on each side. So let me go outside and show you how these look and how they work in the frunk. So that one's in, let's put this one in. It just slots in like this. All right, now we just gotta find some bags to hook around these guys. And you can see it just has this curvature right here, so you can easily just sling something over it and it'll get stuck right here. It's not gonna fall and just dangle everywhere, which is nice because yeah, I have quite a bit of stuff. I don't even know how the heck this one got in here. So like if this one had stuff in it, for example, we'll just use this one. Well, you know what? We'll take Dino and we're gonna put Dino in the bag. Dino, you're in there, don't suffocate. And let's say you come back from Target and you just bought a Dino. Well, all you do is put it right here and pretend Dino is food. And I think this is the best like case scenario is if you want to put something in a bag, you want to put it up here and you can see it hooks it and I'm like tugging on it. It's, oh, well, okay. I guess these aren't 100% great because I mean, all they do is slot in. I mean, if you push it down, does it make better contact? Let's see. Realistically, you're not going to be tugging at the bag this much. Okay, that does help it. So when you put them in, push them like all the way down, make them super flush in. All right, note to self. And yeah, they work a lot better now. So you really just hook it over here and boom. So sick, cool. Now your Chinese food or Chipotle or whatever doesn't have to stink up your cabin. You can leave it in the frunk and it won't be sloshing around everywhere. I see this as an absolute win.